Hi there, let's talk about updates and how syncing makes your life easier. One of the most powerful features of Flipsnack is its ability to let you keep your catalog up to date without having to recreate or re-upload them from scratch. This is where the sync option really shines. If you're using a CSV file, you'll need to manually make your changes, save the file, and re-upload it in the Automation tab. But if you're using a Google Spreadsheet, the process is seamless. All you have to do is update your data directly into the spreadsheet, then go to the Automation tab and click the blue Synchronize button. This will synchronize the data feed. After this was clicked, you have the Sync Products button at the top. All you have to do now is click this button and all the shopping buttons and areas in your product catalog will be automatically updated with the new changes. Now, this all works because of the unique ID, usually your SKU or product code. The unique ID acts as the anchor for all of your data updates. It ensures that the system knows which product to update and keeps everything consistent. That's why it's crucial not to modify or remove the unique ID field once it's set. Think of it as the backbone of your catalog's automation. It connects your spreadsheet to your design and makes updates reliable and efficient. Once the sync is complete, it's important to republish your catalog so that the changes go live. This ensures that the updates are reflected for your audience under the exact same link. There's no need to reshare anything. Your customers will always see the most up-to-date version of your catalog.